You ever get tired of the same old grind? Work, bills, repeat. Well, buckle up, because I'm about to introduce you to a world where fortunes are made and lost overnight. I'm talking about the world of cryptocurrency. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this ain't your grandpa's stock market. Crypto is volatile, unpredictable, and riskier than a three-legged stool in a bar fight. But it's also exciting, innovative, and full of opportunity. Think of it like the Wild West of finance. In this here guide, we're gonna break down the basics of crypto investing. We'll talk about how to buy and sell, how to spot trends, and most importantly, how to manage risk. Remember folks, this is a marathon, not a sprint. So, if you're ready to learn how to navigate the crypto frontier, grab your pickaxe and let's dig in. Alright, before we start talking about Lambos and yachts, let's cover the basics. First things first, you're gonna need a crypto exchange. Think of it like your online bank for crypto. There are a ton of different exchanges out there, so do your research and find one that's reputable and easy to use. Once you've got an account set up, you can start buying crypto. Now here's the thing. Crypto can be confusing as all get out, with all these different coins and tokens. Start simple. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the big dogs, so they're a good place to start. Remember, you don't need to be a millionaire to invest in crypto. Start small, learn the ropes, and only invest what you can afford to lose. This ain't a get-rich-quick scheme, folks. Now, let's talk about how to actually make money with crypto. The basic principle is the same as any other investment. Buy low, sell high. Easier said than done, right? The trick is to identify undervalued assets that have the potential to go up in price. This takes research, patience, and a little bit of luck. Keep an eye on the news, follow crypto influencers, and learn about different projects. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to spot opportunities. And remember, timing is everything. Don't get caught up in the hype and buy at the peak of a bull market. Be patient, wait for dips, and buy when everyone else is selling. That's how you snag a bargain. Section 4. Earning while you sleep. Staking your claim. Now, for those of you who like the idea of passive income, let me introduce you to staking. Think of it like earning interest on your crypto savings account. Basically, you lock up your crypto for a certain period of time and earn rewards for doing so. It's like getting paid to hold on to your crypto. Now, not all cryptocurrencies offer staking rewards, so you'll need to do your research. But for those that do, it can be a great way to earn some extra coin while you're busy doing other things. Just remember, staking does come with its own set of risks. Make sure you understand the terms and conditions before you lock up your crypto. Section 5. DeFi, demystified your money, your rules. Now, let's dive into the world of decentralized finance, or DeFi for short. This is where things get really interesting. DeFi is all about creating a financial system that's open to everyone, without the need for banks or other intermediaries. Imagine being able to borrow, lend, and earn interest on your crypto, all without going through a traditional financial institution. That's the power of DeFi. Now, DeFi is still in its early stages, and it can be pretty complex, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about finance. If you're tech-savvy and looking for a high-risk, high-reward opportunity, DeFi is definitely worth exploring. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Do your research, understand the risks, and never invest more than you can afford to lose.